Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily delete your Steam account permanently. Let's begin. First, open your Steam client and make sure that you have logged in to the correct account. Then over here, click on your profile icon or manage account. Go to account details, then scroll down until you see this option, delete my Steam account. All right. This opens a section explaining how permanent account removal works. Then you can start by verification or verifying the ownership. You can answer your first email you have ever used in the account. And if you added a phone number, include that as well. You can add any extra information that might help Steam confirm it is actually you. Then you can press send. Then I'm going to press proceed to account deletion. So first email, phone number, and any other supporting details you would like to include. Now wait for Steam support to respond. Once your request is approved, your account enters a 30-day lock period. If you don't cancel the request during that time, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's pretty much it. Once you have successfully submitted your deletion request, and Steam will handle the final steps. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.